So today we're doing a no makeup look. I'm gonna show you a demo of the new MAC foundation, the Studio Radiance Serum Powered Foundation. And I'm so happy that someone requested me to do a video on this foundation on TikTok because I probably would have never picked it up. And when I tell you I'm in love with this foundation and this no makeup look, I use only 9 products for this no makeup look. And if you know, I am heavy on products when I do a makeup tutorial. I know your girl uses a lot of products, but for this particular look, 9 products, and we have a nice, beautiful, radiant face that looks like I'm barely wearing any makeup. I'm down for that. I hope y'all are too. I'm also gonna show you how I installed this wig from Ali Gray's hair. It's a super quick wig install because I was looking crazy. I needed to install something on my head. So Ali Gray's Hair did sponsor their portion of today's video. I want to thank them for that. I will leave timestamps down below in the description box in case you're interested in any aspect of this video, whether it be the wig install, the no makeup look, or the foundation review. So if you're not already subscribed to my YouTube channel, go ahead, hit that subscribe button, hit that bell so you're notified as soon as I post a new video. And if you want to get into this full get ready with me, y'all know what to do. Definitely keep watching. So before we demo the new MAC foundation, I wanted to go ahead and do something to my hair. I am going to install a wig from Ali Gray's Hair. This is the wig that I'm going to be installing today. I already wore this wig, so the lace has already been cut. I already plucked the hairline and customized the baby hairs. This is a 5x5 lace closure wig. It is a loose wave texture. As you can see, the hair is really, really pretty. It is 30 inches long. Let's go ahead and install it. I'm gonna be using the Ben Wonder Lace Spray in the black can. This is the Supreme one of my faves. And I'm just gonna spread this across the area where the lace is going to meet my forehead. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and pull the lace down. Next, I'm gonna take this Ben Wonder Lace Bond Spray. Y'all know how much I love this stuff, and I'm going to spray this on the lace to melt that into my skin. And then I'm gonna take my melting band and tie it around. So I'm gonna let this set and I'll be back. The lace is nice and melted now, and I'm going to lay the baby hairs. Okay, baby hairs, looking good. On TikTok, somebody requested me to do a video on the new MAC foundation, so we're going to demo it today. I'm so excited to try it because the MAC makeup artist, she put it on me in store to color match me because I wasn't sure of my shade in this particular foundation. Even if you wear like an NW45 or NC50 or whatever shade you normally wear in all MAC foundations, I was told that your shade in this foundation is going to be different more than likely. So I would go in store and get your correct shade. Also, my skin is darker because I was on vacation in Florida a week ago. So I definitely wanted to get color matched for that. But she gave me my perfect shade, and I'm telling you, this foundation looks like skin, y'all. I'm so excited to demo it. Yeah, I told y'all I was getting back into MAC. MAC is like my first love when it comes to makeup. So I'm first gonna prime my skin with this MAC Hyper Real Skin Canvas Balm. And I've never used this before. I got this in PR and people have been raving about this. So I'm gonna use this to moisturize my skin as well as prime it. It does feel really nice on the skin, but I am crossing my fingers that my skin does not break out because this has niacinamide in it, and sometimes that gives me little tiny bumps on the skin depending on the products. Next, I'm going to use the MAC Fast Response Eye Cream underneath my eyes to prep that area for my foundation and concealer. Now this is what y'all came here for, the MAC Studio Radiance Foundation, and I got it in the shade NW47, and it literally looked like skin in stores, so I hope that it looks like skin here as well. We're about to see. So this foundation retails for $46 on the MAC website, and it is described as a buildable, weightless, 24-hour hydrating foundation that smooths texture, evens tones, and blurs the look of pores. So let's go ahead and apply this baby with a brush. I'm not even gonna use a sponge because I normally use a sponge, but every time I'm like, I prefer a brush. So let's just go with the brush, okay? Here is the consistency of the foundation. As you can see, it is a bit runny. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Ultimate Blending Brush to apply this foundation today. Let's start on the right-hand side of my face and just blend this into the skin. And in store, y'all, this looked like skin. I couldn't believe how good it looked. And the radiance on the foundation just gives you that really nice lit from within look. So I'm just going to apply it to one half of my face, and I'll let y'all be the judge of the color match as well as just the overall finish of this foundation. So what do y'all think? No foundation? Foundation. Ooh, look at that glow, like. It instantly just gives your face that, oof, that highlighted glow from within look. And I feel like this color is the perfect summer shade for me. Probably won't work for me in like winter time, but for right now, this is bomb, baby. Y'all let me know what y'all think in the comment section down below. Have you tried this foundation yet? Did you get the same shade that you wear in other MAC foundations or nah? All right, let's go ahead and apply it to this side of the face. I just love the instant glow that this gives. This is like glass skin in a bottle. If your skin isn't perfect, but you put this baby on, instant glass skin, okay? This is like glass skin and foundation meet. I love the radiance of this foundation. Like, are you kidding me? Run to the store and get this foundation. Look at that finish. MAC did that. They did that with this foundation. I am impressed. I'm thoroughly impressed with this foundation. So I want to keep my makeup really fresh and simple today. So I'm going to go in with the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer in the shade NC45. But I'm not going to use that much concealer because I want this to be a really like nice and natural look. Just going to put some concealer here and here to brighten that area a little bit. And I'm gonna do right here as well. So I'm gonna blend it out with this beauty blender. Actually, someone on TikTok requested me to do a no makeup look too. So this is kind of like doing both. Reviewing the new MAC foundation and a little quick no makeup look. If you're wondering about my lashes, I do have a do-it-yourself lash video. It's a part of a get ready with me. I will leave the card up top for any of you who are interested. I'm gonna use the Benefit Precisely My Brow Pencil in the shade number 5, and I'm going to fill in my tail area because that is terrible. I don't have any hair there. And lightly fill in the front of my brow. And that's a pretty natural brow right there, y'all. For me, at least. And I'm gonna do the same thing on this side. And then I wanna even out my eyelids just a little bit. So I'm gonna go in with that MAC Pro Longwear Concealer again and apply it to my lids. And just blend it out with this Beauty Blender sponge. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of brow gel. This is the NYX The Brow Glue in the shade Dark Brown. And I'm going to apply that to my brow hairs here. Next, I'm gonna go in with this MAC lip gloss in the shade Spite. It's so well used. It's so well used, you can't even read the MAC name on it anymore. And I'm going to apply this to my lips. Y'all know this used to be my favorite lip gloss ever. I haven't used it in a while. And I really want to keep the radiance of this look, so I'm going to go in with 2 MAC Mineralized Skin Finishes. I'm going to use Dark and Dark Deep. I'm first going to use Dark underneath my eyes with a sponge like this to set my concealer under there and brighten that area a bit. And I want to use this just to keep the foundation looking nice and luminous. I don't want to use a matte powder today for this look. I know it's going to look crazy at first, but just trust the process. And then I'm going to go all over my skin with the Dark Deep shade. Lastly, I'm going to take this well-loved MAC Fix Plus spray. You can see I only have a little bit left. Run and get one of these if you have never tried it. I love this for just setting my face when I'm done with my makeup. Bathing in that spray, y'all. Just melts everything together. So here is the full look. I'm obsessed with the new MAC foundation, and I love this no makeup look that I came up with today. If you would like to see more makeup and get ready with me videos, y'all know what to do. Definitely like this video. And if you're interested in checking out this wig from Ali Grace, I will leave a link down below in the description box with any coupon codes that they provide me with. If you have not already checked out my latest video, I'm sharing my new vlogging setup, and that is the camera I'm currently using right now to film this video, and I'm shooting in 4K today. I think it looks super bomb. If you're interested in it, I will leave a link right here, so be sure to go check that video out.